know it more than what I know. Because I never expect, number one, is coming from my heart to Toto, coming my heart to Benji, and to your wife, to Dayan, and to other family. I thought I was alone, but this time I'm not alone.
No, you're not alone.
But I'm with all of you loving me, caring me.
Yeah.
But this time I wish for more days to come, more birthday to come.
Amen.
For me, God, to permit me to finish my mission in this world.
Amen.
To finish the thing I have started, and to leave all those things that I have started to the right man and to the right hand. I'm very, very thankful to this situation, not only just because Michelle died, but maybe if that Michelle did not leave me, maybe I will not notice them all. But this time I noticed it clearly and beautifully. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat, and that is my wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday mo.
Halika na, Tan.
Marami pa. You have a long, satisfied life. Diba? God has given you more strength.
Wala na akong things na regret.
No regrets at all.
Wala na.
Pulutin mo, wala pang
Ang winawari ko lang is dahil iwanan ko ang church.
Do not be worried. There is people around you.
Kaya sabi ko,
Ayan o.
kaya sa tuwing nagpipray ako, Lord, I believe you made Toto to be around sa akin para siyang mapag-iiwanan ko ng church. Kasi
Maraming pastor dito, me.
iwanan mo dyan hindi wholeheartedly.
Yes, Mali destroy.
Yung church na yan, walang offering.
Yeah.
Wala. Kaya yan talagang sa kanta, I give it all.
I surrender all. I surrender all.
Konti lang, kain ka. Ba't inilula mo, okay? Happy birthday to you.
Kasi pag wala,
Madalis na hindi ako makakain yan pa.
Kaya yan.
Si Ate Joanne.
Ate Joanne.
Kahit konti.
Si Ate mo. Hindi na. Sige na, mami. Kain na.
Okay. Upo kami.
Kuha ako chopping board.
Happy birthday, ma. Pero pauwi na tayo ngayon, guys. Pagkakang napakainit na. Masarap paligo ngayon, guys, sa ilog. And then, shout out kay Pamana Vlog. Guys, i-subscribe nyo si Pamana Vlog at saka si G Vlog. Ayan, Pamana Vlog, ha. Panay pa rin ako promote sa channel ng Pamana Vlog. Nasky Vlog, shout out sa inyo, Nasky Vlog. and si Miss Fran's vlog. Yeah. Anyway guys, so tapos na yung birthday natin. Tayo ay pauwi na. So gagawa naman tayo ng iba na mga transaction. So tapos na yung mga transaction na yung and pauwi natin guys. Tayo po ay magtututbrush. Huwa! Okay, sa pamanin natin medyo. Okay, so yan lang po muna ang